Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel I'm going to be teaching basic tech hacks, online money making programs and IT tutorial videos which will run in series. Basically I'm just going to be expressing myself on tech ecosystem. So for this video I'm going to show you guys how you can start an online freelancing business. Yes, an online freelancing business. Now, what is freelancing? Or rather, who is a freelancer? What is freelancing, or who is a freelancer? A freelancer is a person who is self-employed, a person who renders professional service to individuals or companies without being committed to any particular company. Hmm? A person who renders service to individuals or companies without being committed to any particular company or without being dependent on any particular company for a salary. He or she stands alone and earns for him or herself. Now, for the purpose of this teaching, I'm going to be showing you a freelance platform popularly called Fiverr. There are so many platforms out there. For the purpose of this teaching, I'm going to be using just one, which is called Fiverr. So I'm going to place my affiliate link somewhere on this video just in case you want to sign to the platform. So just head on to fiverr.com and sign up for an account. It's free. Now, on Fiverr platform, what kind of services can be rendered on the platform? What kind of service can you render on the Fiverr platform? Only digital skills. Only digital skills can be rendered on the platform. Skills like graphics design, web design, illustrations, voiceover, video editing, translation, writing, and some other weird skills. So any digital skills you can think of that can be passed over the internet can be sold on the Fiverr platform. Now, since it's a digital platform, I don't expect you to expect offers relating to plumbing, carpentry, woodwork, baking, and the rest. No, it's strictly digital skills. In other words, if you must be a freelancer on this platform, you must have a digital skill to render. So just head to fiverr.com to create your account, and after that, a link should be sent to your email for activation. Now, once that link is sent, activate your Fiverr account, and you should be given a dashboard, something that looks like this. Now, this is your Fiverr dashboard. This is your Fiverr dashboard. If you are here now, on this dashboard, this is where you're going to be having all your operations concerning your Fiverr accounts. So as you can see, dashboard, messages, orders, gigs, analytics, promoted gigs, and the rest. And if you scroll down here, you will see what we call active gigs. So I'm going to take my time to explain this dashboard area. Then in my next video, we'll proceed from there. So please take notes. If you register on Fiverr and you want to render a service, please click on the sellers option. Click on become a seller. Become a seller. Now on the platform, those rendering service are called sellers, while those there to buy services are called the buyers. So since you want to render a service on the platform, then you might want to register as a seller and not a buyer. Please take notes. So I want to believe you are here now. So let's just go through the platform and let's see what is there. So on the home page, just in case you want to have an idea the kind of skills that can be rendered, if you scroll down, you'll see different categories: graphics design, digital marketing, and all aspects of digital marketing, writing and translation, and all aspects of writing and translation, video animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle, and the rest. So I want to believe every one of us has one unique skill that we can leverage on to earn money online. Now, back to my dashboard, because I've already registered this account way back, not too long, but it's still active. So let me just take my time to explain what you're going to see on your dashboard. Now, upon signing in to your dashboard, you should see something like this. This is your user area. As you can see, there's an inbox response rate of 100%. Order response rate, delivered on time, and order completion, all on 100%. And so far, this account has earned a $36 just in the month of July. $36 just this month. So as you can see, the rating, it says it's a 5-star rating. 5-star. Now take note, please. When creating your Fiverr account, please be very, very specific as to what skills you offer on the platform. Be very, very specific as to what skills you have your strength in. You don't want to create a profile for skills you are not so good at. So create a Fiverr profile for skills you know you are very, very, very good at. And that is why I earned a 5-star badge, because I created these skills around what I do. So this is my dashboard. I don't have much here. Okay. Now, inbox response rates is how fast and how swift I respond to messages. It says here 1 hour. Order response rates, delivered on time, how fast I deliver my orders. It's called the 100% order completion and the rest. As you can see, active orders, there are no active orders presently. I've only earned $36 for the month of July. I could have done more, but I was so busy this month. Now, in the messages tab, let's see what we have there. This is where I have all the messages and notifications from all my clients. All communication passes through this tab. So each time someone contacts me for a job, this is where I'll come and respond to that message first. Now on the other tab, it's called what? Orders. Let's see what we have in the orders tab. Okay. Now this is the orders tab. It says here manage orders, completed orders, cancelled orders, active, and the rest. Now these are all the completed orders I've had in this account. These are all the completed orders so far. These are the cancelled orders. There's no active order here. There's no late order. Now let me show you something. Let's go to the next tab called what? The gigs. These are called gigs. Now on the Fiverr platform, services you want to render are also known as gigs. Services are also known as gigs. So let's see on my gigs tab, I have 4 active gigs. That means I have 4 services I'm willing to render on this platform. As you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 gigs I have. These are the 4 services I'm willing to render on this platform. So at any point, I can pause it or I can delete it completely. It says well, active 4 gigs. So if I want to create a new gig for a new service I want to render, I'll come here, click on create new gig. After creating the new gig, I should see it somewhere here under pending approval. After approval, then it should show as live. So for now, I only have 4 active gigs. Like I said earlier, the gigs are the services you want to render on the platform. Then what do we have here? Analytics. Let's see what we have in analytics overview. Okay. Okay, analytics, just like the name says. How well is this account doing? How well am I performing on this server platform? That is what you see in your analytics tab. So it says here sales 2005. Okay, total sales, average selling price, orders completed, 119 orders completed, and sales in July. This is where I have my analytics. So you can scroll down to see more. Now also note that on Fiverr, there are different levels. There are different levels on the Fiverr platform. As a new seller, you should have a new seller badge. A new seller badge. Then if you meet necessary requirements, you will move to the next level, which is a level 1. And if you meet all the requirements, you move to the next level, which is level 2. And after level 2, if you meet all the requirements too, you'll be a top rated seller. So for this particular account, this account is a level 2 account. And you can see all the requirements are being met, save one, just this one. That's why it's on a level 2 account. So as soon as I meet these requirements, I will move to top rated. So you can find this under the analytics tab in your dashboard there. Okay, what do we have next? Let's see. Promoted gigs. Just in case you want to promote any particular gig, maybe there's any service you have and you want to promote it, you can come here and you promote it on the Fiverr platform alone. Then let's see what we have in the earnings too. Let's see what we have in earnings. Earnings. Okay. Okay. As you can see, this is the earnings tab. This shows how much I've earned so far, how much I've withdrawn, how much has been used for purchases, and the rest. Net income 2,585. This is how much has passed through this account in total. Withdrawn 2,505 with some cents. This is how much has been withdrawn from this account from time inception when this account was created. 35.88 was used for purchases. Pending clearance $36, which is the pending clearance in the account now. So what do I have for withdrawal now? Nothing until this is cleared for clearance to now move to this place before I can now withdraw. If you want to withdraw your money, what do? It says here withdraw. You can withdraw using the Fiverr card, you can withdraw using the Payoneer or a bank transfer directly to your bank account, depending on how much you want to withdraw. But the most used is the Payoneer account. So as you can see, clearing. This is the recent ones I just did. Clearing. These ones have been cleared and withdrawn already. So this is under the earnings tab, right? Then we have some other ones that you can just figure out yourself. Community, more. So this is the dashboard that you'll be assigned to when you sign up as a seller on Fiverr. As a seller on Fiverr. So having done all this and you have very good skills that you would like to render on this platform, the next thing you want to do is to go to your gigs and create new gigs. Yes, create new gigs in your gigs page. So in my next video, I'll show you guys how to set up gigs, otherwise known as services. I'll show you guys how to set up good optimized gigs on the Fiverr platform in my next video. So just stay tuned. Now if you think I'm doing a good job and you want to support me, please like this video and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Thank you.